Good day and welcome to the Prokon YouTube channel. My name is Anami. Today I'll be looking at creating, moving and editing slabs in Sumo. This is the default Sumo screen. The first thing that I want to do is to create a slab. So under the Structure tab at the top, I'll select the Slabs command. After doing this, you can see that the top ribbon changed to the contextual ribbon with all the available commands for creating and editing your slab outline. Then also, here on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the Properties panel is now that of the slab. I will get to this a little later. Before starting my slab, I like to be in the top view of my model space, which makes things a little bit easier as it allows me to only work with my X and Z axes. The top view button can be found on the View panel. This View panel is always available. So now I can start drawing my slab outline using the curve options. As you can see, you can specify slab outlines using lines, circular arcs, circles, elliptic arcs, ellipses, and splines. First, let's start with lines. So I click on the lines command. As soon as I clicked on it, you will see two things happened. One, the prompts in the top left corner of my model space, which also tells you how to add a line. Then, in the model space, highlighted in green, shows the coordinates of where my line will start. For those of you who use CAD programs, you should recognize these commands. Okay, so let's say I want my first point to be at the origin. So I can either click on the origin in my model space or I can type it in. So let's make my slab rectangular. I can also escape out of the lines command by pressing escape on my keyboard. So let's delete this line here and use the circular arcs command to create a bulge on this end of the slab. I can also create a circular opening in my slab using the circle command. Any polyline inside a slab is automatically assumed to be an opening. After creating my slab, I can click on Accept in the ribbon to finish it. Let's rotate the view to look at our slab. So after I have drawn my slab and I'm satisfied with the way it looks, I can still change its name, thickness, materials, and so on in the Properties panel. To do this, I have to have my slab selected. You can either select more than one slab by either drawing a box around them or holding in Control on your keyboard when selecting. To select a slab, you have to click on its outline. You will then see its properties show up. We can change the name of our slab, the color, and the thickness. Slabs can also be moved after they have been placed. To move a slab vertically upwards, the easiest way is to change the elevation in the properties. Slabs can also be moved by selecting the slab and using the Move command in the ribbon and then following the prompts in the top left. After a slab has been placed, you can also edit its geometry by selecting the slab in the contextual ribbon and clicking on the Modify button. You will see that when you are in Modify mode, the slab is again shown as lines, which can be edited or removed. Let's make some changes to the slab. To exit out of a specific curve option, press Escape on the keyboard. After editing my slab, I once again click on Accept. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel.